Ah, what a lovely day! Look, it's Ella and she's right in her Ella's pet store. It seems like she's going to sell some more pets, but looks like she ran out. So someone sent her some packages, 6 of them.
Hi, I'm Ella.
Ah, what another great day! I sold enough pets to earn me a whole new doll. I'm so happy. I'm going to get ready and clean up the store. Thump! What was that? Oh, here comes the first package. Whoosh! It's the pet turtle set. Here comes the second package. Whoosh! It's the pet bunny set. And here comes a third package. It's the pet guinea pig set. And then here comes the fourth package. It's the pet bird set. Whoosh! Meow! It's a cute pet kitten set. And here comes the last one. It's a pet ferret one. So now let's take a look at each of the 6 pets.
First, we have a pet bird set. Tweet, tweet.
Here's a look at the cute little birdie. It's super adorable, and there's some bird seeds, and there's also a cage. The cage looks like it can fit the little birdie.
I wonder where's the door?
And then here we have the pet kitten set.
Meow, meow.
It's my favorite. I really love it. Here's a look at it. It looks so furry. There's also some fish and a bowl. And there's also the cute little kitten's face.
The fish looks so cute.
There's also a mat behind that looks like a little mat that has some paw prints. And then here we have the pet ferret set. It looks like the ferret looks so adorable. There's also a formula, like some food, and there's also a bowl of food too. The ferret's adorable and cute. And down here we have the pet rabbit set. The pet rabbit set looks so furry and shaggy too. It's cute. There's also lettuce and a bowl, carrot, and another bag that looks like it's adult formula with a rabbit inside there. And then we have the pet turtle set. It says it has a little pet turtle over here. I think it's adorable and cute. Turtle food and a little dish here that looks like the turtle can crawl into it. And the last set is a pet guinea pig set. A pet guinea pig set, there's a little yellow tunnel that the little pet guinea pig can go into, and pet dish here with some water and food. Super cool. Wanda, which one do you want to open first?
I want to open the guinea pig set.
Oh, that's a great idea. So here you have the 6 OG pets. We have the ferret, the rabbit, the bird, the kitty, the turtle, and the guinea pig. We're going to take a look at each one. So first we're going to take a look at the kitty. It's super cute, and I love the gray fur on it. Look at it, it's so adorable. I love its face. It has some blue eyes too, whiskers, and a snout.
The snout is pink.
There's even some ears. The kitty looks so real. There's even a tail, 4 legs. And then there's also a little pet fish toy. It looks like it's yellow and there's some bones. 2 glittery little pet dish bowls. Here's a look at one of them. You can put the fish inside, like this. And then down here we have the mat. It's shaped like a paw. It looks like it's pink.
On top, it looks like it's hearts.
Yeah, kind of like this. And the placemat is also kind of bendy too. And next we have the turtle. Hi! It's so cute and I love this little flappers. There's even a turtle shell that's green.
In the back, there's something.
It looks like it's a tail. That's cute. There's also its eyes. Also included is a water dish. It looks like you can put your turtle inside, like this. There's even a spot for its resting spot.
Maybe you can put some food in there.
Yeah. And here's a look at the turtle food. There's some turtle food inside. And on the top, it looks like you could sprinkle it. And then over here, we have the guinea pig.
My favorite.
It looks like it's really furry and cute. White and brown. And there's also the eyes, if you can see. There's even some pink ears and pink paws. And this is its water dish. The water dish looks like there's some real water inside and it's plastic. Here's a complete look at it.
Here's the tunnel.
This is the yellow.
It's yellow.
There's also some parts that are orange. And if I'm right, you can put it into the little guinea pig. Look, it's so cute. It looks like it's wriggling. And White Dog, can you give me the birdie, please? So here's the bird. It flew over. Tweet, tweet. Look at its cute golden beak. It's also blue and black. I love it. It's adorable. Let me sit over here. There's also some bird seeds. This one you can give the bird. And at the top, you can also feed it out. Like
It's
this.
silver. It's actually silver. And this one's white.
Yeah. And there's also some food inside. And you can also shake it. And then the exciting part is the bird cage.
Did you know you can open it?
It's bronze, and you can open it up from the bottom like White Dog did. Like this. There's also a little perch so the bird can fit in.
Maybe that's why there's no door.
So I'm going to put in the little birdie and see if it works. Okay, there it goes. Here's a look at it. It's adorable inside. There's also a handle so you can carry it everywhere. And over here we have a little pet bunny or rabbit. It's brown and it looks so furry. It's also really soft. There's its eyes there and some pink ears. Here's a look at it.
There's a nose too.
There's even a cottontail. And there's that pink nose.
And there's a carrot.
So this carrot's super cool. It looks like it's a real one with a little stalk up here. And you can also kind of bend it a little.
And there's cabbage.
It looks like there's 2 cabbage leaves or lettuce leaves. They look like they're so real. And when you stack them together, they can stay like it. And underneath the lettuce is a white bowl. It kind of looks like the kitty's pink bowl.
It looks glittery too.
You can also put in the lettuce like this.
But where do you put the carrot?
The carrot you can leave it here, or you can take it over for a special treat for the bunny. And then there's also some OG pet food if you want to give the little bunny some. It says adult formula too. And there's a cute little bunny on top of it. It also says OG pet food.
It looks like there's something in there.
Oh yeah, when you squish it, it looks like there's some felt inside. And here's the look at the back. It looks like there's a little OG barcode. And the last animal is the pet ferret. I think it looks cute. It's so adorable, and there's its nose, its eyes, and it has a little black stripe. There's also some black ears too. And a cute little tail.
The legs look so cute.
It looks so fluffy. It's adorable. And there's also a bowl of its food. It's a pink bowl made of plastic.
It looks like some cereal.
That looks yummy. Probably Ferret cereal. Some yummy inside. And then also that this one matches the rabbit one. It's a little pet food here and says adult formula with the ferret picture and OG pet food. And at the back there's also the barcode. These seem so cool. So let's let Ella put all of them into the store here. Oh look, my pet store is in full swing. Customers are rushing in and getting so much pets, food, toys, anything, you name it. I can't wait to show you my whole pet store, so have a look. So there's my turtle and kids up here. There's also some little toys, my bird, some of these food here, and down here is the surprise. It's all the pets. We have our guinea pig, ferret, which is eating its little animal food. There's also a water dish, some animal feed. In the back there's a little mat for the kitty, a little rabbit, a kitten, and there's also a little kennel that is inside. This whole pet store is super cool and I love it. There's even a bag on the side too. And I'm also holding a carrot too. I can give this carrot up here to the rabbit. Rabbits really love eating carrots. Whee! I'm gonna eat the carrot. So here we have the whole pet store. It's super awesome and I think it's really cool looking. There's the cash register here and there's also the pets and everything you can have a selection from. There's the pets too. So tell us in the comment section down below which pet is your favorite. I love the kitty. What about you, Wine Doll?
I really like the turtle.
It seems so adorable too. Also subscribe and like if you really love pets and the pet store. Follow us on Instagram to see more pictures of Ella and her whole pet store with her pets and food and everything. And also stay tuned for more videos.
See you at the pet